So if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you click that button below. And also, add some comments if you would like me to include any topic in my future videos. So the ingredients that I'm going to use will be using a combination of syrup and powder. For the syrup, I am going to use the purple sweet potato syrup. And for the powder, I'm going to use this 100% purple sweet potato powder. So the first thing we do will be to dissolve this powder in hot water. Okay, I got the hot water here. I'm going to put about 1 ounce of hot water in this 2 teaspoons of purple sweet potato powder. And then I'm going to dissolve it so that we can put it in our blend. Now what this gives you is that beautiful purple color and also some texture. If you only use the syrup, you won't get the color that we are looking for. Okay, so let's put our blender here. Let's pour this into our blender. Okay, so make sure you get all those bits. And then what we need is 2 ounces of fresh milk. Put it there. Then half an ounce of our purple sweet potato syrup. Just half an ounce. This actually gives the taste of the purple sweet potato. And then I'm going to add, because this is commercial, I'm going to add 1.5 ounce of our condensed milk. If you want to use fresh milk, you have to add some sugar syrup to make sure your drink is sweet enough. And then of course, we're going to add our Frappe Base to make sure our blend is smooth. As I said, we need to put 1 cup plus a little bit more to make sure our smoothie will not be too liquidy. Okay? So we have all the ingredients there. Let's put it into our blender. It's amazing, but don't take my word for it. Give it a try. As always, thank you very much for those that have subscribed to this channel. Thank you for watching today's video tutorial, and I'll see you again in the next video.